Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook dumplings in a microwave. This method is quick and convenient for a delicious snack or meal. First, arrange your dumplings in a microwave-safe bowl, ensuring they are not overcrowded. Next, add a small amount of water, typically 1 to 2 tablespoons, to create steam. Finally, cover the bowl tightly with a microwave-safe lid or plastic wrap to trap the moisture and cook the dumplings evenly. The cooking time will vary depending on your microwave's wattage and the number and size of your dumplings. Generally, microwave them on high power for about 2 to 4 minutes. For larger or more densely packed dumplings, you might need an additional minute or two. Always check that the dumplings are piping hot throughout before serving to ensure they are fully cooked and safe to eat. To achieve the best texture, consider placing a damp paper towel over the dumplings before covering the bowl. This adds extra moisture, preventing them from drying out. Arranging the dumplings in a single layer also promotes more even cooking. After microwaving, let them rest for about 1 minute, still covered. This allows the steam to finish cooking them and helps them firm up slightly. Once your perfectly cooked dumplings are ready, carefully remove them from the microwave. Be cautious of the hot steam when uncovering the bowl. Serve them immediately with your preferred dipping sauce. Classic choices include soy sauce, a spicy chili oil, or a tangy black vinegar. For an extra touch, garnish with some freshly chopped cilantro or green onions. Enjoy your quick and easy microwave-cooked dumplings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.